What? What did you say? Hello? Hello.
Hey, guess what happened at school today?
What did you do today?
Forget it. What happened at school?
Oh.
Okay, now I'm listening.
Wait, who?
Her name is Robin Newberry.
Name's not important. Proceed.
She gave me a cupcake.
Oh.
I think she likes me.
So what's the problem?
No, I think she thinks I like
Yeah?
her back.
And who else?
Do you?
I didn't think I did, but it was a really good cupcake.
Perfect metaphor.
Okay.
It was a
Is
cupcake.
that enough? Are you finished now? Or are you still talking?
Okay, like
Still talking? Alright, okay. What do you want?
Tell you something that will serve you well for your
What do you want? Do you want a carrot?
You're peeing outside always face downwind?
By the way,
Boy, that's really
Is that a yes?
boring.